I'm just the key maniac. I'm just stomping through the woods with a key in front of me. Ah, where's the blacksmith? Why does he want to know where the blacksmith is? Where's the blacksmith? Make him go away! Make him go away! My name is Markiplier. Why is he using the key on the ladder? We don't know. Where's the blacksmith? Why is he holding a rake? Where do I use this rake? Where do I use the rake? I'm gonna use this rake on the ladder. Why is he using the rake on the ladder? I'll take these ashes. Why? What does he need them for? I'll use them on my face. Oh, Daddy, please help us. Don't worry, kids. I will venture out and take care of him. Where's the blacksmith? I'll kill him. He's been tormenting our blacksmith too much. I will murder your face. Bonk. Give me your key. It's just a key to the blacksmith. And now he's dead. Or knocked out, I don't know. He might be dead.